Hi, good evening. My name is Viraj Desai and I would like to thank you all for providing me with the opportunity to present to you my take on the concept of retailing the range of IMI cars with the launch of the Max range of hatchback cars. Firstly, let me present to you the facts of the case. IMI has been present in India and have been selling across three major brands in the Buzz, the Smile and the Mark range of cars, which come in the petrol, CNG and diesel variants, and based on the number of features they carry in the L, Q and X variants. IMI has got a production capacity of 3 lakh units per year and they are looking to launch a globally successful model by the brand name of Max hatchback cars. This has been designed specifically for an emerging market like India. It carries the space, the comfort and the style which an Indian customer demands. It will also be available in both the petrol and diesel variants, and based on the number of features it carries, it will also be in the L, Q and X variants. Now, who will be the target audience for our Max range of cars? It will be a young Indian family of 3 to 4 who have a high disposable income at their end, and they are generally in the SEC A or the A plus segment. They have a global mindset, but at the same time they are attached to their Indian roots and hence carry a huge value for money approach. They demand very high features, but they are frugal in the terms of the money they want to spend on it. Now, let us move on to the communication and the sales strategy for this launch. I'd like to make an assumption first that we have already taken care of the traditional means of communication like the TV commercial, the radio jingle and the print ads. What we are looking to do with this launch is we are looking to create a buzz in the internal and the external stakeholders for this launch. Now, the easiest way to create a buzz for a brand like IMI is to piggyback on the brand image of IMI itself. Now, what do I mean by that? From today to the date we actually go on and launch the Max range of cars, we should put a sticker on all the Buzz, Smile and Mark range of cars which we sell saying that my next car is going to be a Max. What it will do is it will give a premium image to the Max car, and at the same time we can look at upgrading the existing customers. Now, how to create other means of buzz? We have traditional things like displays in the malls, having social media tools, having mobile application, mobile software, launching having the photo and videos of the launch of the car and everything like that. Another key factor which we should keep in mind is we should try and enable the customer at the actual buying point. What I mean by that is we should have a software designed and installed at the dealership point which will help the customer in having a look at all the models and all the ranges and all the variants of IMI cars and taking a proper decision. Now, IMI, when it comes to sales, has got a very good structure in place already. They have got 3,000 salespeople across 250 dealerships and 400 service touchpoints in India. For the Max launch, what we should do is we should have 2 to 3 salespeople per dealership dedicated specifically for the sale of Max range of cars. We should provide them classroom training and inculcate product knowledge about the car to them, and also give them insights about what the buyer behavior would be about the prospective buyer of the Max range of cars. This will aid them in understanding who the buyer for what segment of car would be and helping them and aiding them in taking a better decision. Now, we have a limited budget of 50 lakh rupees. So we need to have always a way to measure the effectiveness of the strategy. For that, we should set up KPIs. KPIs should be set up firstly in the customer service segment, because for a car selling or a car buying process, that is the most important. What KPI should be set up? The basic ones like number of leads generated, number of calls made, number of sales made, number of hits on the website, etc. etc. Now, before I end, what I would like to say is 2 special points. The first being IMI should be encouraging brand loyalty amongst its customers. So any buyer of Buzz, Smile and Mark cars should be given an additional discount if he buys a Max car, or if he's flipping from a Mark to a Max, or vice versa. At the same time, car selling is a process wherein a person who is not a customer today may be a customer tomorrow. Hence, it is important that we give equal privilege and equal importance to all our customers and buyers and prospective buyers. And with this, I'd like to end my presentation, and I'd like to thank you all for providing me the opportunity again. Thanks and happy selling.